Alright guys, I'm going to take you on a little haunted walk of cicadas. Alright, so we'll start here. You can see they come out of these holes. You see a hole like this, what the size of your... Yeah, I got big fingers, but that's my pointer finger. Alright, that's these guys. And the breeze is up right now. But I don't know, man. They're just kind of like all in the grass. And there's this big tree here that they're trying to go to. And I like the dirt. I can see where I'm stepping. If you come in here, or yeah, I mean, you can see they just find anything. But if you listen, there's one right there. Sounds like popcorn or Rice Krispies, because it's all of these little dudes and dudettes clawing their way towards the tree. These guys. He's like, on your left, on your left, or on your right. I hate it when slow guys stay in the left lane. They always mess up the flow. Beat it, slowpoke. I'm gonna get to the tree first. This guy thinks he's on the tree. And they like the compost bin. I think these are like regulation gaps, like perfect leg distance. They kind of do some yoga, helps work their way out of the shell. And then you got weird dudes like this that are just like tag-alongs. I mean, there's two of them. I mean, gosh. I don't even know what that beetle guy... He's probably just all stirred up with all the traffic. Here's your first little stop in the horror shop. It's a bunch of old barbed wire that I had rolled up that was around the property. And again, it's like the monkey bars on the playground. Everyone's like on them. You gotta take turns. These three won't just get off their spot. Okay, yep. Big pile of bodies. And these dudes are all just hatching in a big pile. Wow. Oh man. All right. And so we move out. I mean, I can't take a step without stepping on cicadas. I don't know what makes this place so... This guy's little engine that could. Come on, buddy. You got it. I'm not going to interfere and build a ramp. Kick that ramp, Pastrana. Woo! Don't crash. Don't do it. All right. You gonna hang out? Look at you crawling down instead of jumping. No superhero landing. You've seen the movie. Oh. What's been the most frustrating part about the cicada bloom?
The most frustrating part about the cicada bloom has got to be that you can't leave the windows open because they're just flying around everywhere.
For me, the worst part about cicada season is when they get inside the house, because when they do, it bugs me, and because they make a lot of noise. Sally, there's a big bug in my room.
Yeah? You're really scared. Let's go check it out. Well, I think they're really cool and really creepy all at the same time. I saw this article this morning about a candy shop in Annapolis selling chocolate-covered cicadas. Should I have my shoe ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Big shoe.
Oh my god, it is huge. Come and get back. This is gonna make a mess.
Begone, evil one!
I really wish I hadn't mutilated that one so bad that Cameron found in his room, because that would have fed the whole neighborhood a taste of chocolate-covered cicada.